Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the HealthEquity mobile app. So let's get started. So to download and install that app, you have to follow this easy step. So if you are an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store. So let's see. So here I will just open my Google Play Store first of all here, okay, and I will directly search for the HealthEquity mobile app. So here I will just go and I will directly search for HealthEquity mobile app. As you can see here, HealthEquity mobile app. I will just click on here. Then you can click on the install button and it will automatically download and install the app. If you see here, you can also rate this app from here as well and see others ratings too. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.